Hello, my name is Steven, owner of Rhino Lining of Cape Cod and Bourne. We are located at 1 Otis Park Drive, which is 2 miles south of the Bourne Bridge, heading towards Falmouth on the right-hand side. We offer the Rhino Lining sprayed-on bed liner, the New Hampshire Oil Undercoating, as well as truck accessories such as tonneau covers and step bars. Let me tell you a little bit more about these products. Our Rhino Lining sprayed-on bed liner is a thick, durable coating that we spray in the back of your truck bed. This protects against scratches, dents, and corrosion and features a lifetime warranty. Our New Hampshire Oil Undercoating is a thick, jelly-like oil with active rust inhibitors. We spray this on your undercarriage, including your frame, your suspension, all the sheet metal on the vehicle, as well as internal body panels, such as your tailgate, rocker panels, cab corners, and inside your frame. This New Hampshire Oil Undercoating, when applied to the undercarriage of your vehicle, prevents oxygen and moisture from passing through it. Thus, we have prevented rust and neutralized existing rust. We also offer higher level packages for vehicles that have extensive rust. This is our restoration package. It's a 3-day intensive. It involves needle descaling to remove the heavy rust and scale, 2 coats of an acid-based rust converter, and then a New Hampshire Oil Undercoating in the end to protect against future rust from ever forming on your vehicle. These are highly effective products that we offer here at Rhino Lining of Cape Cod at an affordable price. I encourage you to give me a call at 508-759-9008 with any questions you have or to schedule an appointment. We also have our up-to-date pricing on our website, which is www.capecodrhino.com. I encourage you to give me a call. You'll be glad you did.